Building warmth and humidity for us today. We are on weather alert for the chance of some scattered stronger storms this afternoon. We are expecting the humidity to increase along with the warmer temperatures. Highs this afternoon in the 80s, dew points up into the 60s with a front approaching from the west. The main threat would be small hail and gusty winds with this line of showers and storms that will be attempting to develop in scattered form this afternoon. See the highest threat in the northwestern half of the state anywhere after 2 o'clock this afternoon, but before 8 or 9 this evening. We're expecting the showers and storms to move through. They should be rather quick moving, which will limit the amount of rain we will see from them. But after a warm front has come through this morning, that cold front will be moving across the state late day and into this evening. Out ahead of it, 85 to 90. You can see the scattered nature to the showers and storms that will be making their way through later on this afternoon with the warmth and humidity in place. Again, the round of showers and storms likely lasting anywhere from a half hour to 45 minutes in any one given location. And then skies will clear later on tonight. And we'll set up a much quieter day for us tomorrow. And then another chance of a pop-up thunder shower on Thursday.